Good day, everyone. This is Ernie Kish from the Kish Cash Fund, teaching traders with small cash accounts. I started out, say, 2 years ago with $150. Put some money in, took it out, made $600 profit my first year in trading. Of course, you're trading cash accounts with those small amounts of money. You're limited by FINRA rules to one trade every 3 days up until you get like a margin account. So of $2,000, and then you're limited to 3 trades every 5 days. So the next level that we're pushing for is the $25,000 trade account, where we can just go ahead and trade as many times a day as we'd like. But we're learning from a couple of great traders, Tony Turner and John Carter, not to overtrade, and just how to do things right. So this is a learning process for us. And as we learn, we hope that we can pass on some of our knowledge to you, so that you in turn can take some money out of the markets, do what you want with it. Give it to ASPCA or some other great causes like that. But this is a follow-up presentation on HSOL that we were looking at for Wednesday, June 8th. We thought we might go long on this. Market's been coming down, so that would be kind of like bumping the market a little bit. But in the explanation of our logic, as however insane it might be, was looking at the overall chart in general of HSOL, having a 52-week low happening right here, going up, pending high, retracement with our hammer here on that Tuesday before looking at this trade. This is what did happen, and we did not trade during that day on this. We did trade an Axel trade, and that did prove well for us. There's another Axel video out there about a setup on Axel that we like looking at. You can take a look at that also. But anyway, this did gap down. We said, hey, slapped our hands together. That's not a bad sign. Maybe it'll come down a little bit more and then start heading up. But instead, and the spider had a difficult day also, it just came down. So as it passed one of our entry points of 565 and did not go up any from that point, we said, well, let's not get in. Let's see if it comes down to another possible entry at 545, of which it did. But then since it went south from 545, we did not enter at all, and put our hands, sat on our hands, and just decided to take a look-see. And but we did do an Axel trade on that day. The following day, we have a gap up and a spinning top, followed by its latest day, this Friday here. There was a trade on Monday today. I don't have that chart up. Sorry about that. But in just following through, what we're doing right now is we're not trading HSOL. We're taking a look-see. We're looking at if the bottom is the support line here, or if it's going to head south anymore from that. Its RSI is fairly low. So again, it's just a matter of, right now, it's an interesting stock to take a look at, bottom fishing wise, and give you an idea of maybe why we're taking a look at this. I'll bring up another chart here in just a second. Okay. Okay, here we have a daily chart of HSOL, but it's going to go back a little bit further in time. We are going to mention that we have a Fibonacci level here that we are below a 100% level from about the 650 or I'm sorry, about the 560 range, up to a high of about 1350. We've drawn our Fibonacci there, and it's below that 100 retracement level right now. We have one back here in red. That one goes back to, I think, probably $4 and change up to the high. We haven't hit that one yet. The yellow one does go all the way back to the March lows, which was 26 cents. I have a 50% and a 61% Fibonacci retracement on the very low March low of 26 cents to the high, and that one was like right here at the 50%er. Draw a little circle around that. Oh, hang on just a second. Okay, let me try that again. No. Okay, I'm having just a little bit of technical difficulty here. Hang on just a second. Alright, now I've got my pen to work properly here. Here's like the 50% level on the March low to the most recent high, then I guess you would say. And then here's the 61.1, 61.8 Fibonacci level. Bingo, right in through here. So we're even lower than that, my goodness, on this thing. So with things being, I mean, are they at the bottom? If we are bottom fishing, we don't know. But we must be pretty close there. And then looking at the most recent chart action, it's giving some signs of life. So that's why we're kind of looking at it. And if it's going to go up 20, 30, 40, 50 cents in one day, and we might want to catch a little bit of that action. All right, hang on. I'm going to bring up another chart in just a second. And here's her chart from a 5-minute perspective. Here's Friday, Thursday, Friday the 10th, Thursday and Wednesday. Wednesday we had a nice, great day that if we could have, would have been nice, short. Here is that hammer. This is what a hammer looks like on a 5-minute chart for a day on that Tuesday. And then that Wednesday bad day, and then this day, and then on Friday this happened. But we do have to notice that maybe there is some support going on here, you know, right around in this range. It seems like maybe around the $5 range it is possible that we'd have some support. Put it this way, it did go up at the end of the day. So again, we're watching this, and y'all make up your own minds on what you might want to do with this. But again, we think with what the action on this on the right day, we may enter on the long side on a trade like this. Okay, keep green on your screen out there, and good trading. Have a great day. Bye-bye.